Hey, and welcome back to another episode of George's Garage. So today I think I'm just gonna finish cleaning the car off, getting all the stuff out of it, get it all ready to come out of the garage. I'll cut the floor out when I bring it back in. But as you see, the weather's not the best today. Snow's back again. There's been worse, but it's just started. So what I think I'll do is, if I clear everything out of here, I've started building up a box of bolts, because they're all the imperial sizes, not metric. I don't want to get them confused in with the ones that we use here in the UK. So putting them all away, and then just all the things on the roof, bumpers, doors, all that sort of stuff. I think I'll put them up in the ceiling for now. And then I think it's just about ready to come out once I cut the rear turrets out. Hey, so it's going to be a bit of a change of plan after I forgot to record some of the bits and bobs that I'd done with cleaning the car up. I decided that I'll just get the car out as the weather's improved a bit. It's a dry day and it gives me time to get it all covered up before it fills with rain. I'm going to be rearranging the inside of the garage, so it seems the perfect chance to do that. And I'm just going to leave some music to play for the rest of the video, as all you'll be able to hear is the digger shouting and some banging around.